Hi, Seth here with BlenderSensei.com. Today we're going to be talking about the Hacker Blender add-on and its template features. So in a previous video, we talked about Hacker's code insert menus, which are dynamically generated menus for inserting code, which are really cool. So go check that out if you haven't. But Hacker has two other ways of using code templates as well. So it has a reference menu, and this is really sweet because whatever you save in the reference templates will pop up in a separate window. For instance, if we wanted to get a list of the BL region types because we were creating a panel or something like that, we get that and it pops up in a new window. Of course, code inserts just insert code at wherever the cursor is positioned within the script. And then templates work fairly similarly to default templates in Blender's text editor, which you can access all of the default text editor menu items here, with a few other cool features. Of course, all of these template menus are dynamically generated from their file names thanks to Hacker's suite subroutines, which do such organization. So for instance, where it says templates here, this says addon, init, and advanced. This is actually referring to a single file saved in the templates directory called addon space init space advanced. A template from the regular templates menu will just open up a new template. So such as if we click this, it just opens up in a regular new text file as opposed to popping up in a new menu or inserting code. So the reference menu things are pretty self-explanatory. Similarly to the code inserts, you can create your own references if you just click to create a new text file, paste in or type in whatever you want, and then give that a meaningful name. Let's at least write one thing in here. I am some text. We could call this not very good ref. Hit enter there, right click, and under Edit Templates, click Save Reference. And so if we right click again under Reference, we will have access to that in that way for future reference, which is very nice. So all of this is pretty self-explanatory, but there are a few cool features that the Hacker Templates menu provides us. One of those is the ability to create our own custom add-on templates. So if we come down here and click the Navigator button, and we hover our mouse to the add-ons tab, and then we click the plus button, we will get this new add-on box that pops up, and we can select from templates to create a new add-on with. So what these are actually pulling from are any template files saved in the templates under the heading of add-on, init, and then whatever's in here. So we could open up the basic add-on template for Hacker. We could make some of our own custom changes. Here are some changes, etc. And then we could save this as add-on init, then something else, and this would appear in our add-on templates. So a quick note about this, you'll notice here this text that says add-on proper, and throughout here you'll notice text that says add-on upper, or if we find a BL ID name somewhere, add-on lower. And so anywhere you put these three variants, this will automatically format and generate these names from the add-on name that the user enters when creating a new add-on. All they have to supply is one single name, such as my cool add-on, and these will be substituted all over the template file. And if you ever need a reference for what those are, you can always right-click Options, and in the Templates options, with this option on, Substitute Add-on Name, there's add-on lower, add-on upper, and add-on proper for the instances where you want the different variants of the add-on name to appear. So let's go ahead and write those down here. And so just as an example of what's going on with this text substitution business, and here. And then we could call this add-on init mega. Sure, that's what this is. And then we'll right click, edit templates, save template. Now the one caveat with the add-on template showing up in the menu, so we get access to the code inserts, reference, and templates, seeing those in these menus right away. But in regards to the add-on creation menu, you have to restart Blender for this to show up here. As you can see, it's not here yet. So that's kind of annoying, but you only ever have to do it once, and then it will be in there forever until you delete it or change it or something like that. So I'll go ahead and restart Blender. All right, here I am back in Blender. Let's click back over to the Hacker workspace. Let's create a new add-on, addons plus, and we'll call it best of all time. And then our template should be available. There's mega. Let's press OK. And we've created the best of all time add-on. And here you can see where all the text substitutions happened and were formatted based on the single value that we provide, and all of our branding and ID names and everything set up well, and so on. Same thing with the text substitution goes for code inserts as well. That was covered in the previous video. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you think this is cool, please leave a thumbs up. And if you're interested in checking out the Hacker add-on, please visit blendersensei.com/hacker. And I'll see you in the next video.